Every Diwali, I wait for my friends to dash through the door, and every Diwali, I wonder इस बार मैं अपने friends को कौन सा lip smacking surprise दूँ. So I've decided to try out some easy and innovative recipes. Let's start with the age-old jhalmuri with an excellent twist. इसके लिए चाहिए बहुत सारा puffed rice, थोड़ा सा प्याज, धनिया और almost रुलाने वाली तीखी मिर्ची. Season it with chaat masala and a sprinkle of namak. Amp up the spice with lal mirch, black pepper and some roasted jeera powder. Add a few peanuts and some save and fried curry leaves for a divine fragrance. उस extra bit of zest के लिए top it off with fresh lemon juice. Now for the part that'll have my friends pleasantly surprised. We'll add chunks of boiled eggs and mix it well. I'll serve it in my favorite glass and wait for all the tareef to rain in. Just a peppery appetizer may feel lonely in your mouth. इसीलिए, I have a spicy friend to go with it. Fill your fancy jug with some guava juice and mix it well with soda water. Spice it up with a hint of black pepper and some chaat masala. This drink is surely going to spark some nostalgic memories of जब हम स्कूल के बाद जूस शॉप के सामने दौड़ के जाते थे. The shopkeepers sold all sorts of extra spicy drinks and we would climb on top of the walls and sip it with a side of jhalmuri. It would set our mouths on fire. Anyway, serve the drink with a lot of ice. Trust me, you're going to need it with all the lal mirch. Add a few slices of lemon on top and pour in the juice, ready to set some mouths on fire. When it comes to finger foods, मेरे friends का पेट कभी नहीं भरता. I am really hoping this might do the trick. Add a dollop of hummus to your bowl, drizzle it with olive oil and some sesame seeds. Add a few lavash crackers on the side and voila! इससे आसान snacks तो कुछ ही नहीं हो सकता. The next one needs a bit more effort, but I assure you, it's worth it. एक vegetable grinder में add some tomatoes, धनिया, प्याज, एक तीखी मिर्ची and a few cloves of garlic. Add a tang of freshness with a squeeze of lemon. Grind it into a fine paste and your desi dip is ready. Serve it with a side of matri for a spicy, sweet and savory snack. And I'm sure one का batch काफी नहीं होगा. But तीखा तो बहुत खा लिया. I'd like to end the night on a sweet note. After all, so many of us bonded over a cup of ice cream. So I'll call it a touching throwback. Put your favorite sundae in a dessert bowl and shower it with some colorful sprinkles. A spoonful of creamy goodness और ढेर सारा गपशप. बस और क्या चाहिए to make this Diwali extra special.